Dear friends and sisters, I talk to you is Manakchand Sanghi, Bangalore, Karnataka state. On 15th August of every year, our nation observes a holiday commemorating the adoption of the Declaration of Independence. India solemnizes its independence by celebrating flag ceremony by hosting tricolor national flag on the ramparts of the historical site of Red Fort in Delhi. 21 gun salutes are fired in the honor of the solemn occasion. Our PM hoists the national flag, then he speaks to the nation. In his speech, the Prime Minister highlights the past year's achievements and stresses further development for the coming year. He pays tribute to the leaders, martyrs of the freedom struggle. The Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jai Hai Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Udkal Banga is sung. The speech is followed by march past of divisions of the Indian Army and paramilitary forces. Parades and pageants showcase scenes from the freedom struggle and India's diverse cultural traditions. Similar events takes place in state capitals of our country. Here the chief ministers of individual states unfurl the national flag followed by parades and pageants. Flags hoisting ceremonies and cultural programs takes place in governmental and private institutions throughout the country. Schools and colleges conduct flag ceremonies at their places and takes part in cultural programs, activities conducted at their levels with zest and enthusiasm. We see happiness, joy and lots of cohesiveness among all sections of our society. Citizens adorn beautiful clothing and national flags of different sizes are used abundantly to symbolize our solidarity to the nation. The India diaspora celebrates Independence Day around the world with parades and pageants, particularly the regions in higher concentration of Indian immigrants. The next national event in our life is 26th January of every year, when this country became republic, that is on 26th January 1950. This marks the adoption of Indian Constitution, the sovereign state of India with a democratic governmental system. To celebrate the 26th January, a grand parade is held along Rajpath in New Delhi, the capital of India, beginning from Raisina Hill near Rashtrapati Bhavan along the Rajpath. Different infantry, cavalry and mechanized regiments composing the Indian Army, the Navy and the Indian Air Force march in form, who are decked in their finest and official decorations displays on Rajpath. The President of India, who is a Commander-in-Chief of Indian Armed Forces, takes the salute. This event starts with India's Prime Minister lays a wreath at the Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate to remember soldiers who sacrificed their lives for this country. Our president gives awards and medals of bravery to the people from the armed forces and also to the civilians. Before the start of this ceremony, our president and chief guest at 26 January parade arrive at Salami Manch in full glamour on this occasion. Helicopters from the armed forces then fly past the parade area, showering rose petals on the audience from the skies. Armed forces personnel showcase motorcycle rides, giving the audience a full of applause. This parade includes many traditional dance troupes and tabloids. Jhankis from several states of this country, which symbolizes the cultural heritage of India. This parade concludes with a flight past by the Indian Air Force, which involves fighter planes flying past the dais, symbolically saluting the president. Likewise, similar parades are held in the capitals of all the states of India, where the governors of respective states take the salute. Children, young and the old sing patriotic songs with a festive flavor. The official conclusion of the Republic Day festivities ends after 3 days after the Republic Day, which is called Meeting Retreat. We celebrate our third national holiday on Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi birthday on 2nd October of every year. Special programs, prayers are conducted at Rajghat, New Delhi and all over the country, and peoples of all walks of life participate in. The bhajans and kirtans are sung by the gathering on this occasion. Spinning by charkha is done to mark the day and to show the respect to the father of nation, Gandhi ji, on his birthday. Jai Hind. I request you to spell the following godly words with me. Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru ji, Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru ji, Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru ji, Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru ji. Om Namo Shivaya, Om Namo Shivaya, Om Namo Shivaya, Om Namo Shivaya. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. जय माता की जय, जय माता की जय, जय माता की जय, जय माता की जय.